reservoir of glycerin has a mass of 1,200 kilograms and a volume of 0.952 cubic meters. Find its weight, unit weight, mass density, and specific gravity. Remember, your mass and your weight is different. Your mass refers to the amount of matter in an object, while your weight refers from the force of gravity acted upon that mass. Since weight is the force of gravity acted upon at that mass, we can imagine that formula to be W equals mg. Remember that in the formula of your force, we have F equals ma. Since weight is a force of gravity acted upon at that mass, we can just switch up the F with W and the acceleration a to the constant of acceleration due to gravity g. Plugging in the mass, which is 1,200 kilograms, from our given, and don't forget to remember the constant from the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second square. Multiplying this two quantity gives us 11,772 kilogram meter per second square, or 11,772 Newton. Unit weight is the weight of the substance per unit volume. Or in simple terms, it is the measure of a material weighs which occupies a given space. Our computed weight is 11,722 newtons, and the volume is stated in our problem, which is 0.952 cubic meters. A weight of 11,722 newtons is occupying a volume of 0.952 cubic meters. Dividing our weight on its volume, our unit weight would be 12,313.03 newtons per cubic meters. The density of a fluid is its mass per unit of volume. Take note that in density, it means that it is the amount of mass it has in a certain space it occupies. We can express it in mass over volume. Plugging in 1,200 kilograms in mass and the volume it occupies, which is 0.952 cubic meters. We have to divide it, and we will arrive at 1,260.50 kilograms per cubic meter. The specific gravity is the ratio of the density of the fluid to a reference fluid, usually water. We can express it with whatever fluid we have to its reference water. In this problem, we have glycerin as our fluid, and water would be our reference. Expressing the density of glycerin to the density of water, we have density of glycerin over density of water. The density of glycerin is 1,260.5 kilogram per cubic meter, based from our computed density. The density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter, which is basically a constant. Remember that the density of the water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. It is not on the given because it is a constant and you should know it. Dividing those two, we have 1.26005.